You're looking to get yourself a Casio F-91W and you realize that there are lots of colored versions to these Casio F-91s and now you're not sure which one to get. So today we're going to be looking at the Casio F-91WM9ACF. These last digits and letters are usually what tells the difference between the different models or versions of that particular model. Okay, so if ever you're looking to get the gold colored one, make sure you have the 9ACF at the back there, right? With all that said and done, let's take a look at this watch and what makes it different from the other F91s. So aside from the gold color, the one thing you also notice is that the text and the lines on the inside are also in that gold, dull gold tone there, okay? And you can see there's a bit of sort of shine to the gold itself here. Now, if you do plan to buy this gold frame in particular to match your gold ring here, I have myself a 18 karat Saudi gold here, and you can see that the gold is a bit off, so if you plan to go gold matching, this may not work as planned, but perhaps maybe those 10 karat golds or those other 14 karat golds that are not so much on the yellow side here will definitely match this watch in particular. And these can be priced anywhere from $22 to $25 as the best prices out there available. I personally purchased mine from eBay, so check eBay. There are two sellers on eBay that sell these Casio watches for a great deal. So check them out. Don't hesitate to check it out. You won't regret if you want to buy a new Casio watch case. I'm not trying to sell you anything here. I'm not affiliated with anyone, but just helping you save some money on your purchases. So aside of the two chrome buttons on one side and the right side has a single chrome button, you got your labels, your markings, all that stuff here on the front face there. We got a resin belt or strap, I should say, here that looks like this here. On the stainless steel part, which it is stainless steel, we have the printed Casio F-91W and it's water resistant and it says made in Thailand. Well, who knew? And for the buckle part here, you will get your printed Casio right there, letting you know that 99.9% chance this is a genuine Casio watch. Now, aside just being an F91 in a different color, there is the LED light here or the backlight that's going to be in green compared to the usual amber yellowish light. And it's a one side light there. For in terms of the modes, what to expect for modes, pressing the mode here will take you to the alarm, timer, and back to the time itself, and you can edit the time this way. Pressing it a second time will stop the edit options here. This here will switch between the alarm on and off as well as 24-hour mode. You can see that 24-hour right there. And again, to change the time, you'll switch to the mode and until you come back to the time itself, you'll notice how the seconds are blinking. Once you get the seconds to start blinking like that, it means you are now able to make these edits itself for changing the time. Now pressing on this is your seconds reset, and to also change the minutes and hours, pressing the light will cycle through each time part. So for example, I'm going to press light now. It's going to take me to the hours, and you can do that until you reach that. And of course, pressing it again until you pass 12 will take you to AM. Same with the light again for your minutes here. And then pressing the light a third time, it's going to take you to the year, I believe that is, and then the day or month. And then we got today's date, which is WE for Wednesday. And then you can just change that to which day you are in, okay? And then once you're done, just press the mode to say that you're done with all the changes. So all in all, it's a great watch, a very light frame. Okay, if you are looking to get yourself an F91, actually the F91s are by far perhaps the lightest Casio watches out there and under $25 here. Fits very nice on the wrist. The only thing I don't like about the F91s, if you got a big wrist or you're one of the bigger guys out there, definitely not for you. And why am I saying this? If you prefer to wear your watch on the loose side here, let's just keep the buckle like this here, you'll find that you don't really get a chance to do that if you got a very big wrist, okay? And I'm about a 175-pound guy, and yeah, okay, so I do work out, don't have big arms, but this is a nice comfort fit. And just for quick comparison, just in case you wanted to know of the silver Casio watch, which I do have, you can clearly see a difference here. And what do I mean by that? So aside everything being just as identical, other than the color difference, you'll notice that the back part here where the numbers are is going to have a bit of sort of yellowish tint here versus the silver one has that usual basic color in the back there with the numbers there. That's going to give you an idea of the huge difference. So if this video, review, guide, however you want to call it, helped you out in making a purchase decision, whether to buy the gold tone face F91 Casio, let me know in the comments section. And yeah, thanks for watching. Also, subscribe if you're new to my channel.